Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline on the application of Indeed job. You click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Indeed job search and you will click here. As you see in the job search in this page of app info, we click on first stop, then we go to OK, or you will click on OK. After that you will go here, you will click on first stop and you will click OK, then we will go to storage and then we click on clear cache.